Okay, here we've got Audi Q7 headlights that were just dropped off. Customer had them refinished, but they didn't hold up too well. You can see the sanding marks, and the plastic is just crazed at this point. It's breaking down. Looks even worse when the light is on, because then you can see the light passing through the imperfections of the lens. And you can tell this really just sort of ages the car. Not only that, it impacts performance in a very negative way when the light is passing through a plastic lens that is, optically diffused because of weathering and because of breaking down, because of the crazing. This impacts performance. We do have some other modifications we can offer the Q7 community. We can change out the projectors. You should absolutely change out your HID bulbs if you haven't done so in a long time. Just by checking with this customer's bulbs, he's due for a upgrade as well on the bulbs, so we'll run that by him, and we'll offer a projector conversion, so we'll see if that goes through. But this video will serve purpose as the lens swap, and we'll show you how this all looks when it's all done. This is the before, and what we're aiming for is a factory look once this is reinstalled. So we want it to look, we don't want it to look tampered with. That's what we're aiming for. These lights do use what's called a permaseal, which is a cold glue. It's not a soft sealant. It needs to be baked a few times, and this needs to be taken apart and cleaned out. But we'll show you the process, and we'll keep you updated as we move along. Okay, this is one of the assemblies fully opened up. The inner housing is out, and you can see the sealant has been removed as well. So we make sure that all the original sealant is out, and that'll make for a better base when we put in the new butyl sealant. Now, customer decided they're not changing out the projector, but we are changing out the bulbs to some new Nightbreaker laser bulbs. We do have the brackets for these Vallejo AFS projectors and the headlight assemblies. We could have that changed over to the G5 BRT, but customer decided just to leave it because the bulb upgrade alone is like doubling the output. So he's thrilled with that. We did some comparisons, and this is what it looks like. We'll get this filled up with some butyl, add on the new lenses, and we can show you how everything looks. Okay, here's the final result of the lens swap on the Q7. These look awesome. We'll get up close and personal. And if you recall in the beginning of the video, I mentioned we're always aiming for that factory look. The only thing you're gonna see from us is these little screws. They're very, very small. And those prevent the lens from separating from the channel, which means you'll never have water intrusion, entry, or anything like that. But check out how that looks. So we aim for that factory finish. But yeah, no amount of sanding and polishing and clear coating is going to result in a perfect look like you get with the lens swap itself. Because it looks like the customer actually had tried doing some sort of polishing procedure but wasn't too thrilled about the end result. I think he worked with another shop. And yes, this service is more expensive, but it gives you essentially a brand new assembly. I mean, the other parts of the assembly are in good shape. The projector wasn't burned. The customer decided just to change out the bulbs for now. And the end result is twice as bright, and they look brand new. So reach out to us if you need help upgrading your Audi Q7. We can get you new lenses, new bulbs, new projectors, get you performing and looking right. So please subscribe to the channel. We look forward to having you around. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of this. We've got this service available whenever you are. So thank you again, and have a great day.